This is not a farm you recognize. This is a factory that grows food without humans. Welcome inside the world's most advanced automated animal farming facility. Here, every gram of nutrition is calculated by artificial intelligence. No shouting, no chaos, just perfect automation. Millions of data points monitored every second. AI detects illness before symptoms appear. Hygiene is maintained without human touch. Air quality is controlled down to the molecule. Each animal is digitally tracked from birth. This is farming re-engineered. Every meal is custom designed by algorithms. Nutrition optimized for growth, not guesswork.
The system learns and improves daily.
No stress, no contact, just data.
Water purity exceeds human drinking standards.
Pathogens eliminated without chemicals.
Nothing is wasted. The farm powers itself.
This factory never sleeps.
24 hours, zero downtime.
Growth tracked with absolute precision.
The future is calculated in advance. Movement without stress. Comfort is engineered. Temperature always perfect. Problems solved before they begin. Even repairs are automated. This is efficiency without error. Calm animals. Better results.
Next, processing begins.
When the time comes, the process is designed to minimize stress.
Every movement is calculated for safety and welfare. Automation removes human error from critical moments. AI verifies every step before moving forward.
Precision replaces brute force.
Speed and cleanliness operate in perfect balance. Sterility is non-negotiable. Temperature control preserves quality.
Every cut is mathematically identical.
Processing never pauses. Quality control powered by machine vision. Standards are enforced instantly. Nothing is left to chance. Every gram accounted for. Oxygen removed. Freshness locked in. Every product becomes traceable.
Invisible threats detected instantly. Strength meets precision. Prepared for global transport.
No drivers. No delays. Lights are unnecessary when humans are absent. Space optimized to the ceiling.
Logistics planned before demand peaks. Failures prevented before they occur.
Byproducts become resources.
Sustainability built into the system. The machines continue through the night.
No shifts. No fatigue. This is peak industrial control. This is not the future. This is already happening.
When processing ends, logistics begins, fully automated.
Cold chain integrity is monitored every second.
Distribution is calculated before the engine starts.
Factories connect directly to global supply networks. Dark warehouses save energy and time. One system controls thousands of machines. Production adjusts before shortages occur.
Supply moves where it's needed most. Nothing is wasted.
Sustainability becomes measurable.
Automation reshapes efficiency.
Humans become supervisors, not labor. The system improves itself continuously. Scaling no longer requires more workers.
Machines prepare themselves.
The factory never sleeps.
From factory to shelf without delay. Automation reaches the final mile.
Transparency becomes standard.
Every step recorded.
At the end, it's about trust.
Cities evolve around automation.
This is only the beginning.
Perfect coordination.
A world built by machines for humans.